slow as I can.
If I want to destroy Sonic once and for all, I'm gonna need physical abilities of my own.
Oh, how you gonna do that, boss? You're no biotechnician.
I'm looking for some books on biotechnology.
Actually, according to our records, your library card has been revoked. It says here you never returned a copy of Savage Passions Guatemala Heat.
That's preposterous! I've never heard of that book! And even if I had read it, who would believe that Eloise would leave Juan Pablo for a mysterious billionaire?
Hey, mister. You can use my library card, I betcha.
Oh, thanks, kid. People don't usually do nice things for me. Not sure why. Ha! In your bucktooth face, beaver! There's like 1,000,000 types of mutations. And these textbooks aren't very helpful on the subject of which ones you should intentionally inflict upon yourself.
Oh, great, another to be continued. If I had a comic, I'd never end it like that.
Bruce Bandicoot was just a timid scientist until a lab accident changed everything. Struck by absurdly dangerous levels of purple rays, he became the unenviable Clunk.
Finally, somebody put it in terms I can understand. I'm about to expose myself to dangerous purple rays. So stand back! I don't want to share my awesome new powers with you losers. I don't feel any different. Lousy piece of junk didn't work!
One more salad.
That's just a plate of shredded iceberg lettuce.
Oh, sorry. One premium salad.
What happened last night? I can't remember a thing. Just like my weekend in Casino Night Zone.
What happens in Casino Night Zone stays in Casino Night Zone.
After exposing yourself to purple rays, you became agitated, which caused you to morph into an adorable creature of some kind.
I followed the unenviable Clunk's origin story to the letter, but it just turned me into some sort of B-level cereal mascot.
If you can't trust comic books for accurate representations of science, who can you trust?
It says here, the effects of purple rays wear off if one can last 48 hours without a transformation. How hard can that be? I just have to not get angry for 2 days. Easy peasy. Just gonna pick up some delicious arugula, then get back to the lair and wait out the 48 hours.
So, Egghead, why were your Dunderbots chasing that little purple dude yesterday?
You can't prove I had anything to do with the creation of that purple what's-it.
It is way above your skill level. After all, you're no biotechnician.
Is it really that far-fetched that a mechanical genius such as Dr. Eggman could learn some new science skills?
I don't buy it.
I'm a genius! You no good stinking muskrats make me so angry!
You okay, boss?
Guess my secret's out, huh?
Don't worry. We've known about your toenail collection for years.
Not that! My other, slightly less shameful secret.
That you turn into a little purple guy every time you get mad. Don't worry, Eggman. We'll handle this news with the utmost maturity.
Stop squirting yourself! Stop squirting yourself!
Hey, quit it! You're squirting me! That's not even how this joke's supposed to work! Sinking to all new lows, bringing myself here.
Welcome to anger management.
You're teaching anger management? Aren't you just a powder keg of emotions waiting to explode?
No! I'm the personification of serenity, you insensitive lout! It's important to maintain your composure even in the most frustrating of circumstances, be it physical torture or listening to a doddering old coot ramble on about nothing.
Please be torture, please be torture, please be torture!
A lot's changed since I was a youth. Back then, this city hall wasn't even here. It was across the street. Of course, we didn't call it a city hall then. We called it the old gather-round. Gather round the city hall, we'd say. Oh, I guess we did call it a city hall.
Will you just get to the point, you boring old...
To be free of inner rage, one must clear one's mind, center one's chi, upload one's anger to the cloud, man.
I am calm. I am one with this hippy-dippy mumbo-jumbo.
And now for the final test.
Hello. I'd like to schedule an appointment to get my cable TV serviced. 5 weeks? That seems unreasonable, but I've learned to accept that which I cannot control.
Bravo!
Well, well, well. If it isn't Purple McCute Stuffs.
The most adorable villain in the whole village. Yes, he is, yes, he is.
Hello, my dear nemesis. Lovely day, isn't it?
Aren't you gonna lose your temper?
I have moved beyond such trivial things.
What if I do this? Not touching ya! Not touching ya!
Thank you for not touching me. I appreciate your restraint. Now, if you'll excuse me.
Kudos, Dr. Eggman. Only 15 more minutes until the effects of the purple ray wear off completely.
Nothing's going to stop me now. Oh, good. A last-minute complication.
Hey, mister. I felt bad that everyone was teasing you, so I made you cookies.
Well, isn't that the sweetest?
I ran out of baking soda, so I used toothpaste. Gee whiz, I love science stuff. Hey, mister, what's this button do?
That's my subatomic annihilator. You know, it's so good to see young people take an interest in...
And what's this one do?
Oh, well, there's a funny story behind that one.
And how about this one?
Don't touch that one! Oh, man, she fell down the garbage chute. Cubot, going after her.
Ouch!
Great. Not even my most svelte robot can squeeze in there. And that trash compactor is going to turn on any minute now. There's only one guy I know who can fit through that chute. But to summon him, I'm going to need to get angry. Orbot, insult me. Tell me everything I create is a failure.
Oh, that's not true. You have lots to be proud of.
That's sweet, but not helpful. Hang on, kid. I'll think of something. Gotta get angry. Okay. I'll have 2 double Meb burgers, extra pickles on one, an order of lightly fried humdrum rings, and a large cola. Half diet, half regular, light on the ice, and hurry! No way he gets this right. Once he screws up, I'll be on a one-way trip to Rage Town. But this is exactly what I ordered.
A broken clock's bound to be right twice a day. By the way, do you have the time my clock's broken?
Oh, Sonic, great! Make fun of me.
Listen, Eggman, I know I was harsh on you the other day. I'm sorry.
No. You're not sorry. You think I'm a buffoon, a joke, a yellow-bellied Mombot boy.
I don't mean to rush you, but the trash compactor walls are closing in.
Help me, mister!
I finally want to get angry, and I can't. Now that little girl's gonna get pancaked. Why can't I get angry? Why? It makes me so mad!
Don't worry, Eggman. man. I heard the whole thing. Let's book it. Come here, you.
I'm getting pushed off at Thank you, Mr. Purple Doctor Thingy.
Hey, I helped too.
Want a cookie?
Oh, ugh.
You're doing good, Eggman. Just free your mind of all distractions.
Soup's on, boss!